Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering what a firewall is and how it keeps you safe online, you are in the right place. Today I will explain in simple words. No tech jargon, just clear understanding. Let's get started. Imagine a computer is a house and the internet is huge, busy city filled with good people, but also some thieves and troublemakers. A firewall is like a security gate around your house. It decides who gets in and who stays out, based on a set of rules you create or it already knows. Without a firewall, anyone could walk right in. So, what exactly is firewall? A firewall is a security system that controls the flow of information between a computer and network and the rest of the internet. It monitors all incoming and outgoing traffic. If something looks suspicious or doesn't follow the rule, it gets blocked instantly. It's like a digital bouncer, checking every packet of the data to make sure it's safe before it lets in into your system. Here's how it works step by step. Number one, you try to visit a website. Number two, the firewall checks where the request is coming from, where it is going, and what kind of data it is. Number three, it compares the information to the list of safe and unsafe activities. Number four, if it's safe, the firewall lets it. If it's dangerous, the firewall blocks it immediately. That's simple, but incredibly powerful. There are actually different types of firewall depending on how much protection you need. Packet filtering firewall. These check small chunks of data quickly, but only for basic protection. Stateful inspection firewall. These are smarter. They understand entire conversation happening between your computer and the internet. Proxy firewalls. These acts as middlemen. They fetch data on your behalf to keep you hidden. Next-gen firewalls. These are superheroes. They combine all features plus detect malware and more advanced attacks. And today, many businesses also use cloud-based firewalls to protect remote users. Without firewall, your computer is wide open to the internet. Hackers could steal your personal data, inject malware, or even take control of your system. Firewalls help by blocking hackers and unauthorized users, stopping malwares and viruses, protecting sensitive data like password and banking information. Whether you are using a phone, a laptop, or a business, a firewall is your first line of defense. Modern firewall also come packed with awesome features like content filtering to block inappropriate website, VPN support to secure remote connection, intrusion prevention system to stop attacks before they cause damage, application control to decide which apps can access the internet. All of these features can help. Let's say you get an email with link promising a free iPhone. You click it, but the firewall steps in. It says the website you are being redirected to is on a blacklist of scam sites. Result, you get warning instead of getting tricked. These are the magic of having a firewall quietly working behind the scenes. So, what's the basic of firewall? Your personal digital bodyguard. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.